Hi, my name's Ray and I'm one of the senior mentors with ADF Mentors. And today I'd like to take you through our additional testing day training course. So a little bit about me. I'm a 20-year veteran with the Royal Australian Navy and I've helped heaps of people go through the recruiting process and start their dream career with the Australian Defence Force. So about ADF Mentors. We have a fantastic success rate. In excess of 300 clients and 98% of those people have gone through to start their career. We also offer a 100% true money-back guarantee. If you don't pass your additional testing day test, then we refund your money. The last thing I'd like to highlight is that we have only ex-defence ADF personnel as mentors. We don't have any international tutors. So you get the best recruiting advice and you get the best support you can to go through all the components of your testing day, whether it be U session or additional testing day. So let's firstly log on to the client area so I can show you around. So when we log on to the client area, you'll notice that we have three stages. There's the maths book, there's the additional testing day presentation, and then we've got the simulated additional testing day assessments. And there's 11 of them. So firstly onto the maths book. You click onto this URL and that'll take you and download the maths book to your PC. The first thing you'll notice when you go to the table of contents on the maths book is that it is very comprehensive. It covers all the details, starting off with the basics with the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Then we go into converting decimals to fractions and vice versa. Then we cover off on the more complex elements of trigonometry, algebra, geometry and finally into square roots. So scrolling through the maths book, you'll notice that it has a huge amount of detail and you need to understand all these as they are fundamental in being able to get through the additional testing day training course and also the additional testing day test. So let's go into the additional testing day presentation itself. So when you log on to the additional testing day presentation, you'll notice that it's in a PowerPoint format. And we've done that on purpose because it's the easiest thing for people to associate with as they go through the training course. So the training course is broken down into 5 specific components. We cover off on the instrument test, the estimation math test, aircraft orientation, pilot's maths, and spatial perception. So let's start with pilot's maths. So when you go to the pilot maths section, you'll notice that we've already covered off on the first 3 components. So the instrument test has been done, estimation maths has been done, and the aircraft orientation has been done. And in the pilot maths, let's go to one question to give you an example of how it's all put together. So first of all, you get the question, and this is on converging aircraft. And then you get an instructional video to tell you how to do it.
Now I'm going to go through, we're going to make sure that we plug how many minutes.
The video will show you the most efficient way to go through the question so that you can get through the aptitude test in the fastest time possible. Then finally, you'll have a quiz, and that quiz will test your understanding of the concepts and make sure that you can do it as quickly as possible. And it reinforces the learning points. At the end of each segment, or each one of those 5 segments that we have a replication test, which tests you on the questions within that segment. And finally, when you get out of the training presentation, we have the simulated aptitude tests, and there's 11 of those. You can go through and complete them as many times as you like until you get to the speed and accuracy that you need to be able to successfully go through the additional testing day aptitude test when you go into the defence recruiting. And here's an example of what they look like. Under the same time constraints, you have to do the tests and you have to go through and answer the questions. So that pretty much concludes this video presentation on our additional testing day package. When you're ready to purchase the additional testing day training course, scroll down to the bottom of the page, click on the URL and it'll take you through to the payment page, and then you can start your additional testing day course. I'd just like to reiterate that we have a very good success rate. In excess of 300 clients have gone through the process and we have a 98% success rate. We also have a 100% money back guarantee. So if you don't pass your additional testing day, we refund your money. If you'd like to contact me on any details associated with the recruitment process or the additional testing day package, please give me a call on the number on the front of our website. I'd be happy to hear from you, and I wish you well. I look forward to hearing from you in the near future.